In the iridescence here, we have both artistic and physical values. Let's take a look at the artistic first. So we have this face and edge gain here, and you get this kind of soap bubble type or beetle back type of effect here. You have the roughness, where you can set this to be more or less rough. Primary input for artistic is this primary and secondary colors. So if you, for example, essentially set here from red to blue, and that's gonna just cycle through the whole spectrum, because if you look at the color wheel, that's kind of the opposite colors of each other. So it needs to then cycle through all other colors. And also here, if you set here this fall off scale here, you can go in here and say, now you are repeating the colors essentially here. And also if you go in here and mess with the fall off speed, you can see here, you can get this effect of multiple iridescence scale repeater. And set this back to 101. That was the original setting here. Now let's flip this over to physical, and we get a totally different look here. So we have here, you can see here that that's the face gain. That's the edge gain. You can see what that does. How you control this under the physical, it's mainly with this thickness here. So if I increase this one, you see here you start to get more banding. Let's take something 200, 5000, let's try. And this is in nanometers, the thickness here, essentially a physical value in nanometers. And I believe it's 800 was the default one, and that gives that effect. Same goes here. And I guess you would use this on feathers and also glass and these type of things you can see, and oil spill and all of that. You might introduce iridescence. In the next episode, we're gonna take a look at the fuzz component. If you wanna support my channel, consider dropping a comment in one of the videos with information of upcoming episodes you wanna see from Meshmen Studio. See you on the channel. Bye bye.